pig fruits. Naunahan ako sa pig. Masarap pa naman yun. Sandali guys. Sandali. Hindi ko pala na-open yung ano ko. Ayan. Para ma-record ang pag-add ko today. Ayan. Salamat guys. Thank you. Morning. Hello. Para siyang ano guys. Yung taong parang siyang ano. Wala sa ano. Yung babaeng parang wala sa isip. Ibang lahi din. Ayan. So, every day when I'm walking, guys, I meet a lot, all kind, I meet a lot of peoples, all kinds of peoples. I meet a lot of all kinds of people. Sometimes weird, and sometimes like you say hi, hello, good morning. Most of them are snobs. They don't reply. They don't respond. So, ayan. So I think we still have 22 minutes to walk. I'll just make it 1 hour and 30 minutes my walking, guys. On my life. Not exactly my walking. I walk the same time. Just depend how I walk. Is it faster or slower? Slow. So right now, it's already 2 minutes to 1 hour, but I'm still far away from the house. I think it took me like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to be home because, I stop. Ooh, so nice. Look at this. I can see meet a lot of people walking. So, these houses are townhouses. Reflect our townhouses. These are townhouses. And thank you guys. Salamat. PML team. All kinds of people. Thank you. Ayan. Parang okay yung watch hour ko today because even tamsak lang, steady naman ang viewers. Ayan, steady ang viewers. Salamat sa inyo dyan sa pagsasama sa aking paglalakad everyday. Ayan. Thank you, Sisi. Ayan. Ayan. Sis Evelyn, nag-ano ako kagabi. Sisi, nag-play ako kay Evelyn kagabi. Kumusta na watch hour ni Evelyn, Sisi?